Welcome to Check Point Jumpstart Training Series. Check Point CloudGuard is a suite of products and solutions that can secure your data and virtual networks in the cloud. In this training video series, we'll be looking at CloudGuard Posture Management. Before exiting this lesson, I promised a bonus video. In this bonus video, let's do a whole training module summarization. You can skip this video if you like, but I just wanted to go over and recap all the knowledge that we've learned in the last 4 videos in the series. We started off in lesson 1 and discussed what is posture management. We defined what a posture management solution is. We started our first lesson with a network analogy. This analogy hopefully helped us clarify the difference between what is CloudGuard network security and what is CloudGuard posture management. And the main goal obviously being what is posture management solution. And so in this video, I wanted to introduce you to what posture management is. We mentioned that posture management refers to a set of tools and techniques to give you an overall security assessment of your network. We mentioned that posture management is about monitoring and management of your assets. And we also mentioned that posture management is about enforcing security guidelines. We also mentioned that posture management solution needed to address 4 core tasks. Inventory. It needs to keep a centralized list of all your cloud assets and from multiple cloud providers. Visibility. We needed to identify where all the assets are located and which of those assets are publicly accessible. Compliance. We need to make sure that we are compliant. We need to make sure that all of our assets are adhering to industry regulations. Security. We need to make sure that all our traffic and networks and links and workloads are secure and a whole perimeter access is also secure. In lesson 2, we talked about some of the cloud security challenges. We discussed what are some of the top security challenges when you're moving your assets into the cloud. And so in this lesson, we elaborated a little bit more at what are some of the top key cloud security challenges. And we discussed how a posture management solution is needed to address and solve these challenges. Securing your assets in the cloud is very challenging because of the scale and rapid development of the cloud. So organizations need the right tools and technologies to empower them to guard against cyber criminals. Your posture management solution needs to be a centralized solution. In essence, you need to have one comprehensive index of all your cloud inventory in one centralized location in order to keep track and identify and monitor and manage all your cloud assets. Your posture management solution needs to be an adaptive solution. In the rapid ever-changing cloud environments, an adaptive visibility solution is a must-have. Any changes in the cloud needs to be continuously updated in real time or as close to real time as possible. Your posture management solution must also help enforce industry compliance and help meet federal regulations. Your posture management solution also needs to make sure that you're following the most up-to-date security best practices. Your posture management solution needs to help you understand the level of exposure that your assets have to the internet. And it needs to show you the full context of the traffic flow, and this needs to be also done in real time. Your posture management solution needs to be able to identify any misconfigurations and also be self-healing with a simple click of a button. Your posture management solution also needs to work with multiple cloud providers. We also have remediation. Your posture management solution needs to fix issues automatically. For your peace of mind, you need a proactive solution to help you keep one step ahead of the attackers. Think of these as checkboxes that your posture management solution should be able to do. and Check Point CloudGuard Posture Management solution checks each of these checkboxes. In Lesson 3, we introduced the viewer to our very own Check Point Cloud Security Posture Management solution, which we call CloudGuard Posture Management, also formerly called Dome 9, which was a Check Point acquisition in 2018. In this lesson, we defined what CloudGuard Posture Management solution is. The CloudGuard Posture Management needs to support multi-cloud service providers using API calls, the Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, the Google Cloud Platform, Kubernetes, and more are forthcoming in the foreseeable future. Using a single unified console, we can keep track of all your cloud and multi-cloud assets in one centralized location. The CloudGuard native console is the graphical interface to all of your cloud assets. Using the single console, you can get access to the visualization tool called Clarity to view and edit all your cloud assets and to help you identify your attack surface. We offer, right out of the box, over 50 major compliance frameworks to make sure that your cloud is as secure as can be. We have over 2,400 built-in best practice rules to help you achieve optimal security. We also offer IAM protection to protect your organization against identity theft. We also offer tamper protection, which makes sure that your cloud adheres only to your approved gold standard configuration. And finally, Check Point CloudGuard also offers tools to help organizations do automatic remediation. Tools like the GSL that makes scripting a breeze, and tools like CloudBots that are able to identify issues and fix them automatically. In Lesson 4, how CloudGuard Posture Management works, this was our final lesson, and so we discussed how it all functions. We discussed a bit how the architecture works and also demonstrated how to get started. We discussed that CloudGuard Posture Management solution is a Check Point SaaS solution. It's an agentless solution, meaning that no software or client agent needs to be installed on your PC, nor either in your cloud service provider's accounts. All you need is a PC with a browser. And all you need to do is log into your browser to your CloudGuard account, which opens the CloudGuard native console. Then you need to onboard your accounts from your clouds or multi-cloud if you have them. And it uses API protocols to call the cloud metadata using API requests. Once you have onboarded all your cloud accounts, the CloudGuard native console will start populating with all your cloud assets. And after that, any changes in your cloud will incrementally be refreshed in your cloud console within a certain time interval, depending on what assets have been added, deleted, or edited. And finally, I'm going to leave you with final thoughts. At the beginning of this training, we discussed a few objectives and the goals for this training. I wanted to help you understand what CloudGuard Posture Management solution is and why it is the best cloud security solution in the industry, and also what makes us the global leader in cloud protection, and why Check Point CloudGuard should be your solution of choice. I hope I was able to deliver on all these objectives in this video. And so that brings us to the end of this lecture, and also this is the end of this video series. If you need more information regarding CloudGuard and its products, please reach out to your Check Point representative or contact us at www.checkpoint.com/cloud-security. I want to thank you once again for joining me in this training video. I hope to see you in the next Jumpstart training video series. Until then, so long and bye for now.